to my channel. I'm Naturally Curly Vegan, and my name is Sonia. And today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a hair dryer that I received in the mail from Amazon. So this is the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. And so I'm very excited to have received this, and now I'm excited to use it. So I'm going to show you how it came. Basically, it came just like this in the plastic. These are the instructions. And this is it. And it was very reasonably priced. You should check it out. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you how I use it on my hair. I don't normally straighten my hair, but when I saw this on Amazon, I thought, oh gosh, this looks easy. So I'm going to try it out today. You guys come along. Hi, so I had my shower. I'm back, and I just want to go over a few things that I forgot to go over earlier. The detangling bristles. I noticed that a few of them look a little crooked. I don't know why that is, but anyways, we're moving on. Does it look crooked in the picture? Yeah, it does look a little crooked in the picture too. So maybe that's the way they're supposed to be. Okay, and it says it has a lightweight ergonomic design, and it does that. It's easy to hold on to. This part is big here. This part is small for you to fit your hand around it and hold on to it while you're doing your hair. Here it has multiple heat settings. There's off. Let's see if you can see this. Off. Then cool. Let's see. Then low. And then high. Okay. And also the professional swivel cord. So now let's get down to it. I'm going to plug this thing in and see how it works. So I've already combed and detangled my hair. I'm just going to take it over from this braid. And I'm going to see. I'm excited about this. I want to see how this works. Okay. I'm going to start with the small section. Now, from what I've seen on other videos, you do large sections. I'm going to start with a small one first to see how this works for me. Very small occasions that I do it. You know, very infrequent because I'm lazy. I don't like standing there for long periods of time doing my hair. This, I think, is going to work for me. is straightened completely. And now I have this side to do. Let's do a side by side comparison. I like it when people do this nowadays. Okay, so that's my hair. Not straightened. My hair straightened with the Revlon styler dryer. So I like it. I think it's doing a great job. It's a lot faster than how I just did it the conventional way with a different type of blow dryer, what I'm saying. So now I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to come back and show you the finished result. Okay, so this is the final results of drying it on both sides. And this side didn't take as long because I just decided to do it in 2 sections. And so now I'm going to curl it, and I will let you see what it actually looks like once it's curled. If it can get straighter, I'm not sure. I guess if you want it straighter, you can put it on the high setting, and maybe it will straighten it even more than this, but I think it's pretty good. Good enough. So I'm finished straightening and curling the hair, and this is the end result. I'm not that good at curling it because normally I take the time to do my hair, but I'm pretty pleased with the results, and it really didn't take as long as it normally does with just a regular blow dryer. So pretty happy with this Revlon style dryer. So if you can, get you one. I'll see you next time in my next video. I hope you come back. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you know of any easy curling irons that I can try, and I like the big barrels and the medium barrel, please put it in the comment section down below and let me know so I can try it, and then I'll come back and do a review of that product. But anyways, have a great day. I'm going to go outside and I'm going to enjoy the weather because it's supposed to be 80 degrees today here in North Carolina. You guys have a great day. See you later.